Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2022 BMW 228i xDrive Grand Coupe. This is finished in a Skyscraper Grey Metallic. Nice stainless steel dual exit exhaust. Not a lot of road rash, just because the vehicle is so new, but there is a tiny little spot there on the front bumper. Very minimal. And I would venture to say that there are no spots on the top of the bumper or the hood. So really good shape. Up here to the driver front wheel, excellent shape, no curb rash. And back here to the driver rear, same as the front, no curb rash, great shape. And back here to the passenger rear, same as the others, great shape, no curb rash. Might be a few small chips there on that lip, but nothing severe. I did a walk around before the video. I didn't see any dents or scratches that stood out to me. And finally up here at the passenger front wheel, great shape, no curb rash. Got a black leather interior. Oh, if it'll unlock. Go. Nice big panoramic sunroof. And up here to the driver front side, you'll see your memory settings there for your driver's seat, power windows and power mirrors. Nice big LCD screen with navigation. Got a Steptronic automatic transmission. And a full LCD screen there for the instrument cluster. As you can see there on the top right, total mileage 6896. This also has the convenience package, so you get the keyless access, you get the lumbar support there in that driver's seat, and that pano sunroof. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.